students, my name is Kritika. I am your computer digital mentor, and today we are going to learn about some very interesting chapters of computer. So let's start our 8th chapter, that is OneNote. So in this chapter we are going to learn about OneNote. What is OneNote? What we can do on OneNote. So students, before we start our chapter, we have some lesson objectives, that is features of OneNote, how to open OneNote, components of OneNote 2016 Windows, how to work with OneNote, templates of OneNote, create quick notes in OneNote. So now students, we have a warm-up question, that is state true or false. So first we have the shortcut key to save Word application is Ctrl+S. Second, the title bar is present at the bottom of the screen. And third, the line spacing of the text cannot change in MS Word. Fourth, it is possible to change alignment in MS Word. And fifth, you can transfer and customize all the data stored in OneNote. So students, you have to write T if you find the statement true, and you have to write F if you find the statement false in the given blank. So now students, let's start our chapter, that is OneNote is designed to function as an electronic version of a paper notebook. Microsoft OneNote is a taking and personal information management application for collecting, organizing, and sharing the digital information. So students, let's start our first topic, that is features of OneNote. So students, what are the features of OneNote? We are going to learn about this in this topic. So OneNote provides an open canvas where users can write or draw in a variety of text, images, and graphics formats. Then it allows user to add, shift, and delete anything on its interface. OneNote is divided into notebook, section, pages, and subpages. You can create additional space whenever and wherever you need. You can also drag your entries into separate notebook or section for optimal organization. Then headings can be attached to each other or notebook to divide the user's OneNote into specific areas of interest. Then you can transfer and customize all the data stored in OneNote. Then you can insert files or documents into their submission or email them to friends and family. So students, these are the features of OneNote. Now our next topic is how to open OneNote. How will you open OneNote? Let's discuss about it. Follow the given steps to open OneNote. So you have to follow these steps if you want to open OneNote. So first we have click on Windows icon at the bottom left corner of desktop. Then click on Microsoft OneNote 2016. So this type of interface will come when you type the OneNote and when you find the OneNote in your desktops or computers. So students, it's time to know an interesting fact, that is OneNote is easily adaptable, highly customizable, not taking program that goes well beyond a paper and pen. Now students, let's start our new topic, that is components of OneNote 2016 Windows. So what are the components of OneNote? Let's discuss about it. So first we have quick access toolbar. It contains all the commands. Then we have ribbon. By clicking on ribbon tab and with the help of command available in it, you can know what OneNote can do. Then we have question mark. This icon is present at the top right corner of OneNote window and it uses to learn how to use OneNote. Then we have sign in. It is also present at the top right corner of OneNote window. Using this, you can give other people permission to view or edit your notebook. Then next we have notebooks. It contains the list of all created notebooks. You can click the notebook name to switch between notebook or click the pin icon to keep the notebook pen open. Then next we have notebook section. It contains tabs by clicking on which you can switch between section in the current notebook. Then we have search. By clicking on it, you can search the current page or all notebooks at once and navigate the result with caps. Now students, our next topic is working with OneNote. How will you work in OneNote? Let's discuss about it. How to create a notebook. Follow the steps given below to create a new notebook in OneNote. So, if you want to create a new notebook in OneNote, you have to follow the given steps. So, first we have click on File, then click New from the left pane, then choose OneDrive as a save location, personal or your organization. Enter a name under the notebook name field in a create new notebook window. Then click create notebook. Choose whether to share the new notebook with other or not. So students, here you can see the interface of opening an notebook. Now, our next topic is opening an existing notebook. How will you open a pre-existing notebook in OneNote? Let's discuss about it. Follow the steps given below to open an existing notebook. यानी कि जो पहले से ही नोटबुक हमने बनाई हुई है OneNote में, उसको कैसे ओपन करें. So first we have click start, then all apps, then OneNote 2016, then OneNote start screen will appear. Then click file, then open or press Ctrl+O. Then click the recent option under open from other location section. Then click on the notebook that is to be opened. So this is how you can open a pre-existing notebook in OneNote. So you can see the interface here. Now our next topic is adding sections. How will you add section in OneNote? Let's discuss about it. Open or create a notebook in which you want to create one or more section groups. OneNote notebook are collection of pages. So first, when you create a notebook, it creates a default section which name new section 1. Then to change the name of default section, double click on the new section 1. A text box will appear. Type a new name and then press enter. Now to create another section, click on the create a new section tab. A new tab appears with the default name highlighted. Type a name for the new section and then press enter. So, if you want to change the color of any section tab, right click on the tab and select the section color option and then click on the color you want from the sub menu. So students, here you can see the interface of how will you change the section in OneNote. Now, it's time to know an interesting fact, that is OneNote is available as a part of Microsoft Office and Windows 10. Now students, let's start our new topic, that is adding title and pages. How will you add more pages or titles in OneNote? We are going to learn about it in this topic. Each section that you have created starts with an untitled page which can be seen in the right pane of the OneNote window. So first, for adding the title to the page, click on the blank header, that is over the horizontal line. Then type a title and press the enter key. The title also appeared on the page tab in the right pane. Then you can also add title by right clicking on the page tab. Select rename option and type a name. Then click on add pages option present in the right pane to add a new page. A new untitled page will be added at the end of the page tabs in the section. Add title to the page by clicking on its blank header. By default, every page will have a plain white background. You can add different colors to each of your notebook For this, you have to follow some steps. And first we have click the view tab. Then click on the drop down arrow of the page color option in the page setup group. Then choose a color from the displayed list. So now students, let's jump to our next topic, that is templates of OneNote. So OneNote facilitate you with a group of pre-designed layouts called templates. These templates make your notebook more beautiful and attractive. They are organized into 5 different groups, that is academic, blank, business, decorative, and planner. When you select a template, it adds a new page to your notebook with an attractive background and a uniform layout. Follow the given steps to apply a template. So students, if you want to apply templates in OneNote, you have to follow these steps. So first we have click the insert tab and select the page template option in the page group. Then the template task will appear on the right side of the window. Then select the required category. It will expand and display many options. To apply templates, select its name in the list. A new page appears. Then click on the close button to close the template task pane. So students, this is how you can add new templates in your OneNote. So now students, our next topic is taking notes in OneNote. So how will you take notes in OneNote? Let's discuss about it. There are many ways to take notes in OneNote, such as typing, writing with a light pen, drawing, audio notes, through a microphone, and etc. So students, first we have typing notes. Typing the note with a keyboard is the simplest way to create notes. So click on the page where you want to start note and start typing the text. As you type, a small note window appears around the text. This window is used to move the note to a different place on a page. Then, to create a new note, keep typing within the small window or click anywhere else on the page. You can also format the notes either by selecting the text or by clicking on the 4 dots present on the upper bar of the note window. This will select the enter text of the window and will display the mini toolbar containing all the formatting options. Now students, our next topic is handwritten notes. How will you write your handwritten notes in OneNote? Let's discuss about it. If you want to write notes in your own handwriting, follow the given steps. So first you will do, click the draw tab, then choose any of the colored pen or highlighter in the tools group, and then use a stylus or a light pen to write your notes. Now click on the type option on the draw tab to stop writing. Now students, how will you convert your handwritten notes in text? Let's discuss about it. To convert your handwriting to type text, click on the draw, then link to text option. Now, if the link to text command is disabled, right click on the handwritten text and select the option treat selected link as then handwriting. So this is due to when we handwrite notes, OneNote may not convert it to text as the image of handwriting may be taken as a drawing. The drawings, however, cannot be converted to text. So this is how you can write your handwritten notes, or you can convert it into text in OneNote. So our next topic is creating quick notes in OneNote. How will you create quick notes in OneNote? The quick notes section is a holding area for content you have not yet put into an organizational structure. It also holds content you send to OneNote from other program. Therefore, a quick note is not attached to any particular notebook section or page. The quick note section is a part of the OneNote application. So follow the given steps to create quick note in OneNote. You have to follow these steps if you want to add quick notes in your OneNote. So first, press window key plus N on keyboard. A small quick note window will open in your OneNote notebook. Then type your notes in the window. If you need, format the text with the help of mini toolbar. Then click the three small dots displayed on the top of the quick note window to view the OneNote ribbon. Then to view the quick note in full screen mode, click on the full page view on the view tab. So you can also set quick note to your screen by clicking on the OneNote tab and selecting the always on top option from the window group. Now, quick note window will not show you the save button. This is because a quick note is saved automatically under the quick notes section present at the bottom of the notebook pane. So now students, it's time to know an interesting fact, that is new quick note shortcut is Control plus Shift plus M. So this is the shortcut key of new quick note. So now students, our next topic is record audio and video in OneNote. So how will you record your audio or video in OneNote? Let's discuss. So suppose that you are either in a class lecture, question and answer session, meeting or interview, and you know that it will not be feasible for you to type note fast enough. In such a situation, OneNote 2016 provide you function to record audio notes. To record an audio note, your computer must be connected to a microphone. Click anywhere on the page in OneNote where you want to place the recording and then follow the steps given. So if you want to record your audio, you have to follow the steps given here. So first we have click the insert tab, then select on the record audio option in the recording group. A recording icon will insert with the timestamp and the recording will start. So to end the recording, press pause or stop on the audio and video tab. To play a recording, click the media icon on the page and then click play. So students, this is how you can record or play your recording in OneNote. So students, now it's time to know an interesting fact. A OneNote notebook is stored as a folder of section files that have the one extension. So students, after recording your audio or creating your voice into text or playing your audios in OneNote, how will you record your videos in OneNote? We are going to discuss about this in this topic. So just like an audio note, you can also attach a video recording to your OneNote notebook. If you take notes during the recording, they will be linked to the video created with OneNote. To create a video recording, follow the given steps. So students, if you want to record your video in OneNote, you have to follow the given steps. So first we have navigate the cursor where you want to insert the recording. Then click the insert tab. Then record video option in the recording group. A media icon will insert on the page and the video recording will start. To stop the recording, click on the stop or pause option in the playback group on the audio and video tab. So to replay the video recording, select the media icon and then click on the play option. So students, this is how you can record your videos in OneNote. Now students, how will you insert pictures in OneNote? So if you want to insert picture, we have to first read this topic. So you can also insert screen clipping photos, scanned images, cell phone photos, and many other kind of images into your notes. So on any page, put the cursor where you want to insert the pictures. Then choose insert and then choose one of the following. First, screen clipping, that is, capture a section of your computer screen and insert it as a picture into your notes. Then, pictures. You can insert a pictures that is stored in your computer or another disk drive such as external USB drive. Then we have online pictures. You can find and insert pictures from a Bing image, search your OneDrive account or from Elsewhere on the web. Then we have scanned images. How will you insert scanned images? Scan a picture into OneNote if you have a scanner attached to your computer. So you can only insert scanned picture in your computer if you have a scanner attached to your computer. So students, this is how you can insert pictures from the external USB drive or from the web pages. Now, our next topic is sharing your notebook. You can also share your notebook. How? We are going to learn about it. OneNote provides you feature to share your notebook with a number of people simultaneously. OneNote notebook can be shared by mail, via link, or as a shared notebook in an online meeting in OneNote. For Windows 10, you can share an entire notebook with other people and allow each invited notebook participant to view or fully edit your notes. So students, if you want to share your notebooks with your friends or family, you have to follow these steps. So first we have click file, then share. This share notebook window will open in the right pane. Keep your notebook on OneDrive or SharePoint. For this, click on the Move Notebook button in the Share Notebook pane. When the process is completed, a new pane, Share with People, will appear. So next we have Share with People. So what is the work of this option? Let's discuss about it. So first, under the Share with People option, type the names or email addresses of people with whom you want to share your notebook. Then, it may also display a list of relevant links of the recipients. Select the links with whom you want to share the notebook. In the drop-down box on the right, select whether each person can edit or just view your notebook. Then, click on the checkbox that says Require used to sign in before accessing document. After adding a message, now click on the Share button. The recipient will get an email invitation to open your notebook. So now students, it's time to know an interesting fact, that is Microsoft OneNote is a program for free-form information gathering and multi-user collaboration. Now students, we are going to learn about get a sharing link. How will you get a sharing link from OneNote? Let's discuss. OneNote enables you to create link to your notebook so that other can view or edit. Sharing link are helpful when you want to share your notebook with a large group of people or when you do not know the email address of the other people. For this, click File, then Share, then Get a Sharing Link. Now, to get a view link or edit link, click on the Create Link button present at the right side of the pane. Now, our next topic is Share with Meeting. So, you can use OneNote with Outlook and Skype for Business or Link 2013 to make it easier to associate your notes with their scheduled events. So first, select File, then Share with Meeting. Now, a shared notebook will be created that can be used by everyone who is part of the online meeting. Next, they can open and edit meeting notes at any time. OneNote syncs everyone's notes and the change get reflected in real time. So students, this is how you can share your notes or get a meeting link, or you can share your entire notebook with other people. So students, what we have learned in this chapter, let's have a quick look on some key points. So OneNote is a digital notebook that allows you to make quick notes, either handwritten or typed. OneNote एक ऐसा डिजिटल नोटबुक प्रोवाइड करता है जिसमें हम अपने नोट्स या तो टाइप कर सकते हैं और हम अपने नोट्स हैंड रिटन भी लिख सकते हैं. Now, OneNote notebook is just like a paper notebook which can be organized into section and pages. OneNote notebook एक रियल टाइम नोटबुक की तरह है जिसको हम सेक्शंस और पेजेस में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. डिफरेंट वेज टू टेक नोट्स इन OneNote आर टाइपिंग, राइटिंग विद द लाइट पेन, ड्रॉइंग, ऑडियो नोट्स थ्रू अ माइक्रोफोन एंड एक्सेट्रा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, OneNote में हम डिफरेंट तरीके से नोट्स लिख सकते हैं, जैसे कि टाइपिंग, और हम अपने वॉइस रिकॉर्ड भी कर सकते हैं विद माइक्रोफोन्स and via pictures. Now next we have in OneNote, and handwritten text can be easily converted to typed text. OneNote में अगर हमने कोई टेक्स्ट या कोई भी नोट अपना हाथ से लिखा है तो हम उसको रियल टेक्स्ट में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. OneNote enables you to create quick note with or without opening the OneNote app. हम OneNote हमें एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करता है जिसमें हम OneNote एप्लीकेशन को खोले या बिना खोले भी उसके अंदर क्विक नोट्स लिख सकते हैं. Now, OneNote provide facility to insert an entire file such as Excel spreadsheet, a presentation or a Word document into your notebook. OneNote एक ऐसा एप्लीकेशन है जिसमें हम बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस जैसे कि स्प्रेडशीट, प्रेजेंटेशन और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड भी हम उसके अंदर इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज इट फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर. Soon we are going to learn about many interesting chapters of computer. Till then, revise what we have learned today. Thank you.